Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. The name is BisWabb or BisWabb for short. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to adjust the brightness of your pictures in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you 2 to 3 ways you can actually use to increase or decrease the brightness of your pictures. So now, without wasting much time, you ready? Let's get right to it. So for the first part, to increase the brightness of your image, you go to image then adjustment. So let's go to image, then adjustment, then you select brightness or contrast. Alright, so over here you can increase the brightness slider until you achieve your desired level of brightness. So you can move the slider to the left or right until you achieve your level of brightness. So alright, so when you're done, you click on OK. Okay, so for more precise control over the brightness, you can use the levels adjustment. So let's try it and see. Let's go to image adjustments and select levels. Okay, so image adjustments and then levels. Now over here, move the sliders to adjust the brightness, the highlights and shadows of your image. So when you move the slider to the left side, it will increase the brightness of your picture, and when you move the slider to the right side, it will decrease the brightness of your picture. So as I said earlier on, you can increase or decrease the brightness slider until you achieve your desired level of brightness. Okay, so there. Alright, so let's increase this. Okay, so you click on OK. Now for the final part, you can also use the curves adjustment for more advanced brightness adjustment. You simply go to image adjustment and select curves. So let's try that and see. So image adjustment, then curves. Over here, you can drag the curve up to brighten the image or down to darken it. So when you move the slider to the top side, it will increase the brightness of your image, and when you move it to the downside, it will decrease the brightness of your image. So you can move the slider to the top or to the down depending on the level of brightness you want to achieve. So when you're done, you click on OK. Okay, so you can experiment with different adjustment layers to find the perfect brightness for your picture. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to brighten or darken your pictures in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Photoshop tutorials. I'll see you guys in my next video.